Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we'll show you how to replace the RGB LED strip module. If you find that the remote control does not match with the ambient lights when trying to unlock additional ambient light functions while the lights are working normally, you can follow this guide to replace the RGB LED strip module to resolve this issue. First, loosen the screw on the damper bracket. Then unscrew the other two screws and remove the damper bracket. Remove all screws from the deck and move the deck away. Locate a long, thin white component. This is the RGB LED strip module. Disconnect both ends of it. Take out a new light strip module and reconnect it to the wires. Note that one end has 2 pins, while the other end has 3 pins. Please ensure correct connection. After successful installation, press and hold the power button and use the NFC card to touch the display screen to power on. After turning on the ambient light button, check if the ambient lights flash normally. Then we will pair the remote control with the ambient lights and test if the ambient lights change colors according to the remote control commands. Next, we will reinstall the deck onto the scooter and tighten all screws. Finally, install the damper bracket onto the deck, tighten the 2 small screws, and then tighten the large screw on the damper bracket. This concludes the tutorial. If you encounter any issues during using the ambient light function, please contact our support team. Our technical professionals will help ensure your scooter runs smoothly. Hope this video will help you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.